Hi, this is Ken Lau. In this video, I'll share with you how to create this map, Power Map in Power BI Desktop. Okay, so first we need to load some data. So the data is right here. I have an Excel file, and then it has a world population data. It's taken from the estimated population from the United States, United Nations. So there's a population data here, and I have another table here. This is by year data. Okay, so it's up to the year 2000. Okay, so each row here it represents a country, and over here each row represents a country also, but the column wise is that for each year for the country growth, right? So here is different, is that every row represents only 1 year, so it depends on the data, right? So now I want to load it into the Power BI. So, and ultimately it will create this data here. So let's go to File, choose New. Let's cross this, right? So now I want to import some data from the Excel. So the data is from this Excel file. I click select and then click open. And I want to load the two table here. So I want to click a transform. I show you why is that so. So I loaded the two table into a query in their world populations. The column is being named as column 1, column 2, right? But I want it to be taking the first row. So I'm using the Powerquery knowledge. We go to the transform, and then right here there's a use first row as header, and that's it. And next I can give a new name if I want to, but the world population is nice, right? So let's go to here. So here I do not need to do that use first row header because my column is very nice. Okay, so this year is not a date, it's not a number, it's actually a text file, so we just change it to text. So we don't add 1950 plus 19551. This is no meaning in the human sense, right? So let's replace it. So it's written as a text. As for this is population, everything is great, and this also you can check the type, everything is good. So we can just go back and change to the. Okay, we can go to home and then close and apply. Okay, close and apply. So I'll look back to the Power BI desktop. Now the latest Power BI desktop is so intelligent, right? It's able to help me to identify the relationship, right? So based on the one-to-many relationship. So yeah, right here. Okay. So I don't need to worry about this anymore. So I go to the visual tab here, right? Then I click on the. So I have some visual things, right? Let's look at just look at the pivot first. So I just drag the country to the board here, visual board. It will create a map, right? Beautifully created. You can adjust the map just like this, just like that, right? Okay. So now I'm once the data is showing there, right? It's like let's look at that further. So it has the things, but it doesn't tells you which year it's at. So I can just choose another item. It's called a slicer. But before I select this, I need to click the white area here to deselect the current visual, and I go to select slicer. So right here I have a slicer, and then here I click on the year it goes to here, right? So now I'm interested into knowing what 1950 happens, right? So 1950, right? It's like, yeah, I go back to the data here. Uh, so 1950s is like, let's see. Oh yeah, I need to one more. This is just a dot, right? Let's just click on the populations and drag it to the map again. Okay, now I have the data for 1950. Uh, look at that. The bigger plot here is China. It's a 554. Now it's not just 554 million. It's actually 554. No, it's the 53 of. You need to add another thousand, so it's about 5 B. So it's 554419 another thousand. I need to find out the figure, yeah. But you need to add another thousand. There's another thousand separator. So next one is that compared to the North America in 1950. So that is there. So it's 158 million. Yeah, let's read that as 158 million. As for this one is 500 million, 554 million, because another thousand, right? So now let's fast forward to today, an estimated. Then we have I don't know how to read this, but you get that point, right? So now I'm just showing you that you can create a map, right, in Power BI with just a few clicks. Okay, thank you so much. Right, I hope that this is helpful to you and to explore to you that the power of Power BI. So next, you can just go to File and then Save As, and make sure to save the file then, right?